To start with, I'm going to drench my hair with a lot of water, as you guys can see me doing here, before even apply my shampoo. So this is the shampoo I'll be using first today, wash day, then that is the hair mask I will use afterward. So the reason why I choose this shampoo is that it's really gentle, and it also left my hair very moisturized afterward because it doesn't dry out my scalp. And as you guys can see me, I went ahead to add a generous amount on my hand, and I will go ahead and spread it on my scalp because I normally love working from my scalp. And you guys can see that I put my hair into sections. I do love washing my hair in sections because if I leave all my hair out and wash them once or wash everything together, it's gonna be really messy, and the detangling process will be really messed up. So I don't want that. This is the reason why I wash my hair in section, as you guys can see me. So after applying the shampoo on my scalp, I went ahead to really massage it with my hand without using my finger to scrub my scalp. Massage it really well on my scalp. I rinsed it out. Now what I'm doing, I am repeating the same. The reason why I repeat it like twice, 3 times is that I am someone that don't normally wash my hair every week. I wash my hair every other week, which is every 2 weeks. When you calculate that, that is twice per a month. And the reason why I also do that is because it works for me, okay? And beside, I normally use butters. Just in case you don't know, I use butters on my hair, and I want to really make sure to get rid of the product. I mean the butter, because butter is a very heavy product. And if you are someone that normally use heavy products, you may want to wash your hair frequently, or if your hair is used to it, if your hair can endure keeping it for 2 weeks, then just do that, but make sure to get your scalp really clean. So that is what I'm doing here, really getting all those built up, all the product out of my scalp, because I do love to repeat the shampoo a couple times to get all the product, the dirt, the flakes. And for someone that also produce a lot of excessive sebum, I want to make sure that my hair is thoroughly washed, so my scalp will be clean. And that also helped me to boost my growth, because that is the only way you can achieve a healthy hair, by getting your scalp clean and your hair. So you can see what I do here. After shampooing my scalp, even while it was in twist, then afterward I will go ahead and unravel that twist and use the shampoo that I have applied on my scalp and work it very well on my scalp. I will use it downward my hair to the ends of my hair by rinsing the shampoo out of my hair, because by rinsing the shampoo is going downward from the root of your hair to the ends of your hair, which is amazing. And this method is the only method I have found that truly worked for me. And this is the reason why I wash my hair in twist, because it's the best method for me. It's the best way for me not to mess up my hair, because if I wash everything together, the detangling process is gonna be really messy, and my hair is gonna tangled up. And I want to avoid the tangling process, because when you are washing your hair, you want to be very careful and very gentle with your hair, without rubbing your hair together, to avoid unnecessary hair tangling. Because when your hair is very tangled, you're gonna break off your hair, and the combing process is gonna be so difficult. So for me to ease the detangling process after shampooing my hair, I normally do this method by sectioning it, putting it in twist. Then I will go ahead and shampoo each twist. As you can see me do here, this is my method. So a lot of you have been like waiting for me to upload this video for you guys. So this is the video, the washing video, how I normally washed my hair. I've been using this method for many years, though I have been on this journey for the past 7 years. Yeah, this year make it 7 years me returning natural. I've been doing this method. Not in the beginning. At the beginning my hair was very short, so it wasn't really necessary until I understood my hair, what my hair wants, what my hair doesn't like, and my hair wants me to treat her. So that is what I normally do in my daily basis life. On my wash day, I just try to keep my routine really simple and try to find some tricks that work for me. And I find this twisting process really work for me well. So this is what I do. And you can see after me shampooing each section, after rinsing the shampoo out, I will go ahead and twist my hair back again. The thing is that after shampooing my hair gets shrink really easily because of the water. That means that my hair is very healthier, and the elasticity, the shrinkage, and all together. But anyway, we are not focusing on the shrinkage part. We are focusing on what I am doing. So yeah, so by taking each section by section, I will apply the shampoo, walk it through. I truly love walking on my scalp because this is the place I have issue as someone that produces a lot of sebum. So I will shampoo the scalp of my hair very well. Then as you guys can see me, I will start rinsing the shampoo all the way to the ends of my hair. So I will use the shampoo that I have applied on my scalp and walk it through to the ends. And if I like to repeat that again, I will just go ahead and repeat it. If I find out that my hair is very clean, that I don't need to repeat it, then I will just go ahead and twist that hair away. So if you are someone that is really struggling on your wash day, if you are washing your hair, you experience a lot of knocks, you may want to try this process by sectioning your hair. Wash your hair in section and see if it helps you out. Me personally, this method truly helped me, and yeah, it helped me, and this is what I normally do. If something works for me, I don't really switch it. Okay, I don't switch it. I just like excuse me, I stick to it. That's it. If something works on your hair, do not change it, do not skip it, and do not switch it. Just stick to it. And that is the secret of growing a healthy hair. Stick with what works for you. Okay, so I have rinsed on this part. I have shampooed it before from the beginning. Then I don't really think I need more shampoo, so I will just go ahead and twist it away. And yeah, that is how my coils look like. I truly love it because, oh my goodness, my hair has really grown. For those of you that have been with me since the beginning of my hair journey, you would say that my hair has really grown. And this video is from like 4 months ago. If you guys remember, in my last video I mentioned that I was going to do the second part of my wash day. So this is the second part. The third part will be coming, which is the part 3 of me applying my conditioner and other things I would like to share with you guys on that video. Please, if you haven't joined the family, I don't really know what you're waiting for. Please go ahead, join the family. invite your friends and family that would love to grow their natural hair to come and join us. Yeah, because we are in this journey together. You are not alone. I hope this video helped you out how to wash your hair in section, because this method is really effective. This is why I stick to it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope this truly helps someone. Thank you so much, love, for joining me. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so very much, my love. I truly appreciate every one of you for your patience, for your loves, and thanks for your encouragement, and thanks for enduring with me, though I am not too really consistent recently. But thank you so much, guys. I truly appreciate you all from my heart. Bye bye.